Hello Valencia cumple 10 años, una década, 120 meses, 520 fines de semana, infinidad de eventos, fechas señaladas y momentos especiales, en los cuales nuestra revista ha querido estar ahí, para ayudarte a elegir la mejor opción, para entretenerte e informarte, para ilusionarte, en definitiva, para acercar nuestra ciudad a cada uno de nuestros lectores. Llegar hasta aquí no es fácil, todos sabemos lo que suponen 10 años, y por ello queremos celebrarlo con todos vosotros con este disco, con el cual pretendemos animarte y divertirte, transmitirte cuál es nuestra forma de ser y entender nuestro espíritu Hello Valencia. Esperamos que el espíritu Hello Valencia te anime, entretenga y divierta del mismo modo que nuestra revista lo hace cada mes, invitándote a dejar de un lado el aburrimiento y aprovechar la infinita oferta de ocio existente en Valencia. Felicidades Hello Valencia y que cumplas muchos más. Gracias a todos y a disfrutar de la música.
To the hip hop, the hip to the hip hip hop. You don't stop the rocker to the bang bang boogie. Say up jump the boogie to the rhythm of the boogie to beat. Now what you hear is not a test. I'm rapping to the beat, and me, the groove, and my friends are gonna try to move your feet. You see, I am Wonder Mike, and I like to say hello. Up to the black, to the white, the red, and the brown, and the purple, and yellow. But first, I gotta bang bang the boogie to the boogie. Say up jump the boogie to the bang bang boogie. Let's rock. You don't stop, rock the rhythm that'll make your body rock. Well, so far you've heard my voice, but I brought two friends along. And next on the mic is my man Hank. Come on, Hank, sing that song.
Check it out, I'm the CASN, the OVA, and the rest is FLY. You see, I go by the code of the doctor of the mix, and these reasons I'll tell you why. You see, I'm 6'1" and I'm tons of fun, and I dress to a T. You see, I got more clothes than Muhammad Ali, and I dress so viciously. I got bodyguards, I got two big cars that definitely ain't the whack. I got a Lincoln Continental and some new Cadillac. So after school I take a dip in the pool, which is really on the wall. I got a color TV so I can see the Knicks play basketball. Hear me talking my checkbook, said it costs more money than a sucker could ever spend. But I wouldn't give a sucker or a bum from the rock and not a dime till I made it again. Everybody go, hotel, motel, what you gonna do today? Cause I'm gonna get a fly girl, gonna get some spank and drive off in a death OJ. Everybody go, hotel, motel, holiday in. See, if your girl starts acting up, then you take her friend. I'm Master G, I'm out Mellow, it's on you, so what you gonna do?
Well, it's on and on and on and on. The beat don't stop until the break of dawn. I said a M-A-S, a T-E-R, a G with a double E. I said I go by the unforgettable name of the man they call a Master G. Well, my name is known all over the world by all the foxy ladies and the pretty girls. I'm going down in history as the baddest rapper that ever could be. Now I'm feeling the highs and you're feeling the lows. The beat starts kicking into your toes. You start pumping your fingers and stomping your feet and moving your body while you're sitting in your seat. Then damn, you start doing the freak. I said damn, right out of your seat. Then you throw your hands high in the air. You're rocking to the rhythm, shake your dairy air. You're rocking to the beat without a kid. With the short shot MCs for the affair. Now I'm not as tall as the rest of the game, but I rap to the beat just the same. I got a little face and I got a rhyme. All I'm here to do, ladies, is hypnotize. I sing it on and on and on and on and on. The beat don't stop until the break of dawn. I sing it on and on and on and on and on like a hot bop, the bop, the bop, the bop, the bop, bop. You don't dare stop or come alive, yo. Give me what you got. I guess by now you can take a hunch and find that I am the baby of the bunch, but that's okay. I still keep it strong, cause all I'm here to do is just put your behind. Sing it on and on and on and on. The beat don't stop until the break of dawn. Sing it on and on and on and on. Rock, yo. I put it on the floor. I'm gonna keep your head. I'm gonna get up there. I'm gonna put some spot in this atmosphere. Cause I'm one of a kind and I'll show your mind. I put the dig niggas in go behind. I said 1, 2, 3, 4, come on. Again, on the floor. Come on, yo. Give me what you got, cause I'm guaranteed to make you this on and on and on and on and on. The beat don't stop until the break of dawn. I said a M-A-S-I-T-E-R, a G with a double E. I said I go by the boogie to the rhythm of the boogie beat. My name is known all over the world by all the foxy ladies and the pretty girls. I'm going down in history as the best rapper that ever could be. I don't mean to boast, but we're like the load. The beat starts into your toes. You start bumping your fingers and stomping your feet and moving your body like you're sitting in your seat. And then damn, you start doing the freak. I say damn, I ride it out of your seat. Then you throw your hands high in the air. You're rocking to the grip, you can dare it air. You're rocking to the beat without a care. Cruise the short shot MCs for the affair. Now I'm not as tall as the rest of the gang, but I rap to the beat just the same. I got a little face and a pair of brown eyes. All I'm here to do, ladies, is hypnotize. Sing it on and on and on and on and on. The beat don't stop until the break of dawn. I sing it on and on and on and on and on like a hot butter. The pop, the pop, the pop, give it, pop, the pop, pop. You don't dare stop or come alive, y'all. Give me what you got. I guess by now you can take a hunch and find that I am the baby of the bunch, but that's okay. I still keep in stride, cause all I'm here to do is just a wiggle your behind. Sing it on and on and on and on. The beat don't stop until the break of dawn. I sing it on and on and on and on and on. Rock, y'all. Throw it on the floor. I'm gonna freak you here, I'm gonna freak you there. I'm gonna move you out of this atmosphere, cause I'm one of a kind and I'll shock your mind. I put the jiggles in your behind. I say the 1, 2, 3, 4, come on, girls, get on the floor. Come alive, y'all, give me what you got, cause I'm guaranteed to make you rock. I said 1, 2, 3, 4, tell me one to Mike, what are you waiting for?
To the hip hop, the hippie to the hippie, the hip hip, the hopper, you don't stop, rock it to the bang, bang the boogie, say up, jump the boogie to the rhythm of the boogie beat. Well, skittle bebop, we rock a Scooby-Doo, and guess what, America, we love you, cause you rock in a row with us so much so, you can rock till you're 101 years old. I don't mean to brag, I don't mean to boast, but we're like hot butter on a breakfast toast. Rock it out, baby mother, break the rubber to the boogie, bang, bang the boogie to the beat, beat, so unique, come on, everybody, and dance.